So I have quite a few pieces of molding made. Some half-inch stuff to build out the window frame on the outside or around the window. And then a bunch of starters, the long starts. And then they go in, and then the regular profile ones that I do. And a bunch of others. So a good stack going. And I brought in more cutoffs and found a pile that I had in the shop. I had put there at least a year ago down there. So picked them all up, going to use them. So the next thing I'm going to make is the ones that go in the corner. So the 45 here, 45 here, and the distance from here to here is 3.5. So I'm going to start cutting them. I'm going to have to tilt the saw. So one of the things, probably could make this a separate video, but this is a vintage 10-inch Craftsman from about 1984 or 85. So it is a crank. You crank it on the side. And I had broken the crank part, the handle, so I attached a piece of wood. Works good. The only thing is, make sure if you do this, don't make the wood too long, because as you crank it up, it gets closer to the top. So you have to keep that in mind. So one of the things you need to do is clean this out right here, because if you start cranking it up, it takes that sawdust and compresses it. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean this out. And some gets right in behind here, so you need to clean that out too. For the most part, I do not put an angle on stuff. But once in a while, you need to do 45s or something else. So I do need to do that. Turn it up. So it's not a big deal. Once I do it, I usually will cut everything. Okay, so let's get the saw set up and start ripping.